How can I tell if there's mold in my home?
So typically you can either smell it, which would be a cause for concern. At that point, we can do two things. One is called an air sample test, where we bring a little cartridge into the home and we suck in the surrounding air. We send that to the lab to determine what type of mold is in the air. The second way is to do a tape lift sample, where we take a little sticky, we put it on the actual physical wall or surface, and we test that at the lab to determine what type of mold you have. Once that's been determined, we can put together a remediation program to fix this.
What types of mold are bad?
So all types of mold are bad, and they're basically classified into three different groups. The first group is allergenic, the second group is pathogenic, and the third group is toxigenic, which is the most severe case.
When drying out an area, how long are the air scrubbers in a dehumidifier supposed to run for?
Typically in a mold job, we have them run for 72 hours, which is industry standard. This is to make sure that we've dried out the structure and also to make sure that we've captured any mold spores that may be in the air.
How fast does mold grow after water damage?
So mold can typically grow between 12 to 48 hours depending on the conditions within the house. Ideally in dark, damp conditions, it can grow a lot faster and can typically start within 12 hours.
Can I get rid of mold by washing it with bleach?
It is not recommended to wash any of the mold that you have with bleach. A lot of homeowners will do it though. We use a special antimicrobial that kills mold on contact. It's also a plant-based product, so there's no harsh chemicals, and it's safe for pets, children, and the elderly. That's why bleach is not recommended, because you can have health issues or things if you use that to clean the mold.
When's the best time to have leak protection done for my house?
Immediately. The best time to come in to determine is right when that happens. If you notice any sort of water in your house, call an expert immediately so we can come and determine where that leak is coming from. Once we've determined where the leak is coming from, we can have that fixed to make sure that we don't get any further damage to your home.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.